Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have Power BI Pro or Premium and necessary Sharepoint permissions. This matters because access controls block queries. Next, grab the exact site URL and list or library path so you can point Power BI precisely. Once done, choose Import for snapshots or Direct Query for live data. Make sure to consider refresh schedules and performance. You should also check tenant settings and app registrations if your organization uses conditional access or custom connectors. You open Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data and select SharePoint Online List or Folder, then paste the site URL. This locates lists or files. Authenticate with your organizational account. If you hit multi-factor prompts, complete them to proceed. Once the tables load, use Power Query to expand lookup fields, remove unnecessary columns, set data types, and apply filters to reduce size. After shaping, load a small sample. Then validate relationships and performance before publishing to the service. You publish the report to the Power BI Service workspace and immediately configure dataset credentials. Make sure to use OAuth 2 for SharePoint if available. Next, set up scheduled refresh, and if your files are on-premises, install and register an enterprise gateway. Once done, test refresh manually and confirm visuals render. If something goes wrong, check the gateway status, re-authenticate connections, and inspect the query steps for schema changes. Often a renamed column or token expiry is the root cause, so fix and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.